a taste test on the blueberry cordial that I put in a sterilised bottle and sterilised lid and kept in the cupboard for a couple of months. So it's been a couple of months and it's just kind of now at the stage where I need some cordial to drink, and I don't want to break into the next cordial that I've got, so I've got another plan for that. So it opened and there was a bit of a fizz, well, a bit of a like opening a jar. It smells alright. Doesn't smell like it started fermenting or anything like that. So give it a bit of a stir with something. Haven't got anything fizzy, so just plain water will do. And if it tastes alright, we'll know that it'll keep for at least a couple of months in a sterilised jar with a sterilised lid. Well then, that works. So, if I want to make bigger batches in future, I will know that I can put it in sterilised containers with lids, and it will store pretty good for at least a couple of months, which is worth knowing. Actually, now it's open, I'm going to keep it in the fridge, because there's not a huge amount of sugar in there, and there's only a bit of lemon juice as a preservative, so once it's open I'm going to keep it in the fridge. But it keeps out of the fridge, in the cupboard, for 2 months, probably even a little bit longer.